How to watch Demon Slayer in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can watch the Demon Slayer anime on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Demon Slayer is a really popular anime that has been there in the past couple of 2 to 3 years, and there is a latest season releasing right now, and then you want to watch it on Netflix. Now for that, you of course definitely need to have a Netflix premium account, and then once you download the Netflix app, just open it up and then just log into either of your accounts over here. Then once you log into either of your accounts, there's most likely going to be a popular one which is at the very top, or in case you don't find it, you can just tap the explore button and then just type in Demon Slayer over here as well. Once you do that, you can see the new season will be showing up. Now you can see, simply browse them according to the seasons you want. So here you can see the arc. You'll be able to see the latest Swordsmith Village arc over here, and you should be able to see the 2 episodes have been released, and then the more is going to be released week after week. And of course for this you need to have a premium, right? So this is how you can watch Demon Slayer on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.